Today we have a problem from set. Yes, so it is that in a survey of 100 students, it was found that 77 students were studying mathematics, 47 students were studying physics, 44 students were studying chemistry, 43 students were studying mathematics and physics. 37 students were both studying mathematics and chemistry. 12 students were studying both physics and chemistry. 12 students were studying both 3 sciences. So here it is the Venn diagram that represents the information given from the problem. So to fill the information in this Venn diagram, we need some calculations which depends on the given information and which will depends on the relationship between one lesson according to the other. So let's see how this can be cleared. So first of all, we have a cardinal number of m. The cardinal number of m, it means it is all students which attends the mathematics or the course of mathematics. From the problem, it is 77 students. Okay. Cardinal number of p means the student who attends the course of physics, it is 47. Cardinal number of c, which are the students who attend the course of chemistry, it is 44 students. Yes. Cardinal number of m, that is mathematics, intersection, this is intersection sign, physics, it means it is the student who attends both mathematics and physics, and we have seen that the student who will study both mathematics and physics were 43 students were studying both mathematics and physics, so it is 43. Yes. So cardinal number of mathematics intersection chemistry, it is the student who study both chemistry and mathematics. 37 students will study, according to the problem, 37 students will study both mathematics and chemistry, so it means that it is 37 students, right? And we need the cardinal number of physics intersection chemistry. 12 students from the problem will study both physics and chemistry. Both physics and chemistry, it is 12 students. And the cardinal number of physics intersection chemistry intersection mathematics, it is given as 12 also students, and it is here. It means this space here is representing the number of students who will attend both of the courses that are given in the survey, being given in the survey. So here we represent the number, this space will represent the number of students who will attend both mathematics and physics but not chemistry. Okay, it means it is mathematics and chemistry only, right? and this space will represent the number of students who will attend both physics and chemistry only, because this circle is represent the number of students who attend chemistry, and this circle is represent the number of students who will attend physics, and this third circle is represent the number of students who attend the mathematical course. Okay, so it means that this space number 3 is representing the number of students who were attending both mathematics and chemistry but not physics, because physics is not included in this space. So let's see how this information can be calculated. So also this space here is representing the number of students who were attending mathematics only, and here it is physics only, and here it is a student for chemistry only. And here outside here, if there is, it is the number of students who will study no any of the subject or no any of the courses that were being given. So no. Okay, the students who were studying both mathematics and chemistry but not physics will be given by SAT7 minus 12, because SAT7 is the number of students who will study both mathematics and chemistry. So because 12 it is a student for both of the three subjects, we needed to subtract 12 from SAT7. That means SAT7 minus 12 equals to 25. So here we needed to plug in 25. Okay, 25. So also the number of students who were study physics and chemistry but not mathematics will be equal to, we will take the number of students who will attend both physics and chemistry, that is physics and chemistry, that is 12, then minus the number of students who will study both of the subject, it is 12. Okay, so it means that here we have a 0, because 12 minus 12 it is 0. It means that there is no student who will attend both chemistry and physics only, right? So also we need to calculate the number of students who will study both physics and mathematics, right? Physics and mathematics but not chemistry. So here we need to take 43 minus 12, and the answer will be 43 minus 12, the answer would be 31. Yes. Right. Okay, also another value which is not calculated, so it means here we have mathematics and physics only, it is SAT1, so we need to plug in SAT1 here. Yes, so we need to calculate the number of students who will study only mathematics, only physics, and only chemistry. From this we have to take, let denote the value of students who attend mathematics only, let denote them by X, and that of physics Y, and that of chemistry Z. So it means that cardinal number of M equals to 77 students. Okay, students. So it means 77 students is equal to X plus the sum of members who were given here in this circle, plus 31 plus 12 plus 25, right? So that is 77 equals to x plus 31 plus 12 plus 25 equals to 68. So take minus 68 on both sides, so that the x will be equal to 77 minus 68, and this will be equal to will be equal to 9. So here we have x which is equal to 9, right? Okay. So also, to calculate the number of students who will attend the honor physics course, we need to take, we know that cardinal number of physics, it is equal to 47. Okay, so it means 47 will be equal to 31 plus y plus 12, then plus 0, because here we have 0 students, 0 number of students. It means there is no student who will attend both chemistry and physics only, and this means that 12 plus 31 equals 43 plus y. So it means taking negative 43 on both sides, it means that y will be equal to 47 minus 43, and y will be equal to 4, right? So y is equal to 4. Okay, so also we know that we are going to calculate the number of students who were attending only chemistry course, but we know that cardinal number of C were equal to 44 students. Okay, 44 students. So it means that 44 students were equal to 25 plus 21. No, it is 12, not 21. 25 plus 12 plus 0 students plus z equals to 44, right? So also that means 25 plus 12 equals to 37, then plus z. So take negative 37 on both sides, you will get z equal to 44 minus 37, and that is equal to 7. So it means z equals to 7. So to answer this question, it means that the cardinal number of students who attend honor mathematics were 9, and that of honor physics were 4, and that of honor chemistry were 7, as you have calculated. Mathematics only, physics only, z only. Okay, so number of students, who will attend any of the subjects are, here you will take 100. 100 is the number of students who were surveyed during this survey. Then minus the number of students who will attend mathematics, physics, and chemistry. So it means it is minus 9 plus 31 plus 12 plus 4 plus 25 plus 7, right? So it means it is 100 minus, okay, that is 100 minus 88, and that is equal to 12, I think. 100 minus 88 equals to 12. So this number of students were here outside in the universal set. It is 12 students. So number of students, 12 number of students were the students who were attending no any of the subject. So that is how you can, that is the way you can use to feed the information you were given, or if you are asked to calculate such kind of problem. That is the technique that will be used in order to get all information needed to fill in the Venn diagram. So you can also be able to answer another corresponding question that will ask it according to the information that they will give you in the problem. So that's it for today. In next video we'll also look at another ways or another problem which relating to this problem, as I have the note here or said here. It can be on the level of ordinary level students, or advanced level students, or in even the students at the university. So if you are new here on this channel, I would recommend you to make subscribe so that you will be the first one to see the video after it is being uploaded. Thank you for watching.